Happy New Year's!
Friends, it is 2019, a whole nother year with some new projects coming up.
That's right.
Welcome back to the Crazy About Craft Show. We bond through
crafts.
And speaking of New Year's, you know, this is the time of year where we make all these decisions about our lives. We make New Year's resolutions.
Yes.
Some of us want to eat healthier. Some of us want to save more money. Some of us want to clean up and throw away old things. That's some stuff I've been doing. But for our little ones, let's keep it simple for them. Let's talk about saving some money. Today, we're going to make pop bottle piggy banks. So for this project, you will need, of course, some bottles, a 2-liter bottle and like a 20-ounce water bottle. You need paint,
Stickers,
foam stickers, and you will need some tissue tubes. Seems like I use these for everything. Googly eyes, bottle caps, yep, and the hot glue gun. You need
the X-Acto knife,
masking tape. You will also need a black marker. You will need pipe cleaner, and last but not least, your paint brushes. You need a dish for your paint and a drop cloth to protect your surfaces. And you will also need a pair of scissors. With that being said, let's get this show on the road. You ready?
Yes. All right.
Okay, the first thing you're gonna do is get your pop bottles. You're gonna cut an incision on the top to create a coin slot. So this is where adult supervision comes in. Do not allow the children to cut the coin slot.
Okay.
I noticed that Ricardo is cutting in a direction that's keeping the blade away from him.
Yeah.
So don't bring the blade towards you. Go in the cut in the opposite direction of your body. Okay.
Yep.
Alrighty, we got our incision. What you're gonna do with the pipe cleaner is create a curly tail, and it's easy. All you have to do is wrap it around your finger. See that? And take it off. See that? What you're gonna do is cut off the excess that's left, but you're not gonna use the whole thing. So cut about, I say like about that much off, because this is the part you're going to be taping onto the back of your bottle. The next thing we're gonna do is paint our, you'll also be painting the legs of your piggy bank. Ricardo is using bottle caps for his legs, and I am going to be using tissue tubes. I'm gonna cut this into 4s. 1, 2, 3, and 4. See? And oh yeah, I forgot to mention that the cap on the top is going to be the snout for your pig, so you're going to paint that too. And by this being acrylic on the transparent surface, you may have to do more than one layer. So far, this is how mine look with the first layer. And I'll show you how it looks for the second layer. Ricardo, show them yours. Yours is coming out so nicely. I think he's on his second layer already.
Yep.
And it full cover. Okay, folks, we're getting ready to paint the pig's legs and feet, which I'm going to be using the tissue tubes because I have a bigger bottle. Ricardo is using the caps because he has the small. Alrighty, I believe I gave mine like 2 coats, maybe 3, and it's all nice and dry. I painted the cap, her snoot, and now I'm going to add her cute little curly tail right below the slot. And I'm going to use that masking tape I had. But first I'm going to secure it with the glue gun. So here we go. Glue gun. And the tail is on. Ricardo, you ready to put yours on too?
Sure.
Okay. Put my masking tape right over it. That's just to keep it extra secure. Ricardo, you want to do yours too?
Sure. Yeah.
Extra security. And the same paint you use, you just go right on top of it. If your bottom is not painted, you could take advantage of this time to paint the bottom too. See, the back of his is not painted, so now he could paint the back of it and lay it on its stomach and let it get dry too.
Yeah.
So now that we're done painting the bodies, I have found 2 heart foam sheets that I'm going to use for my pig ears. And if you're not an expert at drawing pig ears, just draw 2 triangles. So now we talked about the cap, right? It's going to be the snoot. So all you have to do is get the black marker and just draw 2 dots for the nose. Make sure you're using your coin slot as a guide to help you draw and decorate your piggy bank. See, that's a cute little snoot. And I'm going to draw her a mouth. Simple, easy. Yeah.
It's not that bad.
Now let's choose some eyeballs. I chose some big eyes for her. See, her eyeballs are on. And because she's a girl, guess what? What do girls need, Ricardo? Let's see if you can guess.
Eyelashes.
Oh, ding, 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 ding.
Maybe I should just give him a little eyebrow.
I've shown you that I have some hard foam stickers. So what I'm gonna do is put it on her just like that. You see that? I folded the curved parts back, and then I'm gonna fold it in the middle. Better yet, I'm gonna put the glue gun on in the inside right here
right
first.
Here. I'll put it right here.
I'm gonna do that first to make it easier for me to just put it down.
Just another way with you guys to fold it in the right direction.
See that? I folded it right there with the glue gun. Alrighty. Watch your finger. Good. you do this in the classroom, you may have to just use the masking tape and paint over it again.
Say you folded this part, okay? And then you just glue it.
That'll make it stand up stronger. It won't make your ears so floppy. That's why he's doing it.
That's right. Then, and I just put a glue right here. Okay. Now. Okay, I'm pushing back.
Okay, now we're ready to put our feet on. So what I'm gonna do is glue these two together with the hot glue gun. Just like that. Make sure it's even, Steven. And I'm gonna do the same thing with the other two. I'm just putting some hot glue right there in the middle. And I'm gonna stick it right there. And I remember I had these foam stickers, so I'm gonna take the time to just add a little decorations to her.
See?
Aw, he's so cute. Added 2 more foam stickers on her. I love it. Wow. Well, that's it for today, guys. Just making a simple little piggy bank. It did not take long to make this project at all. It took less than 2 hours.
Yeah, it did.
2 hours of beneficial bonding time. I think bonding with your children and family is just so important. And we need to be getting stronger together during tough times like this. There's a lot going on in the world. And that's because a lot of people are disconnected. So in order to make these connections, we have to have eye-to-eye communication, listening to each other.
Yeah.
People are so connected with social media and phones right now. So
Yeah.
this was 2 hours of bonding time, and Ricardo and I, we just had fun doing this, didn't we?
Yeah. Yes, we did.
So thank you for watching the show today. Don't forget to continue to support our book called
Creak, Creak, Too Scared to Sleep.